Hi, this is Dylan from Lifecycle Insights. I'm going to show off the new Halo ticketing feature. So here we are in the asset list, and if we go into, let's say, this asset, we can click the new button here that says Create PSA Ticket. For any ConnectWise or Autotask partners, this won't be new, but for Halo, this is brand new for LCI. So let's go ahead and create a brand new service ticket. And this section here is going to be all of your ticket types. So for now, let's do a problem ticket. And let's just put some random markers. I'm going to put some smiley faces on here, and then I can go ahead and hit save. And what's going to happen is it's going to create the ticket in HaloPSA, as well as link it to the asset accordingly. So if I go ahead and I can go and view, so sorry about that. Go ahead and open this ticket in Halo. We can see that it was created. But also if we go into the actual PSA and we look for this ticket, so let's look for this one. If I go to tickets, we can see here that it was just added. So it's not just creating the ticket, it's actually linking a ticket into the asset on a slightly deeper level. It doesn't just stop there though. We actually allow for ticketing inside of recommendations and inside of our business reviews. So let's go ahead and let's change to Acorns. You can see here that if I click into, let's say, demo, let's go ahead and create a ticket. And it's going to be the same type. We can make an HR task, and let's go ahead and hit save. And you'll see that the ticket is going to be created. Let's go ahead and open that up in the PSA. And boom, you can see it was created up in Halo. And you might have also noticed there's another section here called Halo Opportunities. So just like ticketing, we actually allow for the creation of opportunities in LCI as well. So the way that would be done is if we go into a recommendation that does not have one, if we hit this button here, we can either create a new Halo opportunity or link to an existing one. So for this example, let's create one. We can say it's an LCI type. We can stand here with the defaults, and let's say the target date is the 14th with the potential value of 100 and the conversation probability of 5. We hit save, and it would actually go ahead and create the opportunity in Halo. Or we can take the other approach and link to an existing Halo opportunity. And in this sense, these will take any of the opportunities that are currently in Halo and allow you to link the recommendation accordingly by just clicking this link button here. So the other section that we allow for tickets is inside of business reviews. So any of these business reviews on the meeting level or the ticket level can actually be linked accordingly. So let's go ahead and create a new PSA ticket. So we are here. Let's go ahead and make a scheduled task now. We can just say demo new app features. Let's go ahead and save that up. And just like for the asset list and for the recommendations, it's going to go ahead and create the ticket in the PSA, and then we can handle any of the items inside of Halo itself. And then we have one last section here to show off the Halo ticketing, and that's going to be under the assessments. So in here, you can go through any of the assessment items and actually link that item accordingly to the Halo ticketing. So if I go ahead and make an alert, hit save, that newly created ticket will now appear next to the assessment item and can be opened, altered. So if we want to go ahead and update it, it will pull all the information to Halo, and boom, we have a working ticketing system for Halo and the assessments. The last piece that we're going to show off is the linked PSA data section. And this is kind of where all of the data exists. So if you have, linked tickets for assets, recommendations, business reviews, assessments, and you want to see them all in one place, this is the page. So if we go into the linked PSA tickets, you'll see here we have recommendations, assets, assessments, business reviews, or all tickets, and they can just be viewed and modified accordingly. And it's the exact same set for assessments or for opportunities as well. If we click into linked PSA opportunities, we will see all of the opportunities that have been created and linked in LCI. Thank you very much, and happy life cycling.